Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'll be teaching you how to change a background. As you can see, this is not my room, but I am in my room. You can see the background is not my room background. So I want to show you how you can easily change your background after filming your video. I know a lot of you find it difficult to want to create content, especially some of you that have the zeal to become a content creator just because of you don't like the environment or the environment of your room or any other place that you want to use to create your video. You can easily change the background and create your video and pass your message across to YouTube, and you see that your video or your content will be going viral. If this is the kind of video that you love to watch and you want to really know how to change your video or and you want to really know how to change your video background, this video is for you. I know a lot of people that have not been creating content or posting on their YouTube channel because of what they will be saying, that my room is not, or my environment is not beautiful, it's not aesthetic, it's not the way I want. I want to get this, I want to do this before I will start creating content. So to be honest with you, nobody care about your background. If what you are saying or dishing out, if what you are creating, your content is what is valuable to people's life, if your content is meaningful and you are passing the right information to people, nobody care about your background. They will only concern about what you are saying or what you are creating. They will always be interested on what you are creating, or they will always be interested on your content instead of your background. So if your problem is how to have a beautiful background, consider it done, because in this video I'm going to show you how you can easily change your background. So anytime you create your video, you can easily change the background of the video, then and make it beautiful to attract more audience. So without wasting much of your time, I want to take you to other side of the screen and show you how you can easily change the background of your video so that you will go out there and start creating content. Welcome to this side of the screen. So first thing to do is for us to open a new project. So I'm using PowerDirector editing app, which I use for my editing. It's a lovely app. You click on the new project. Then after clicking on the new project, you come to this place on the power. You click on photo. So after clicking on photo, there's one beautiful thing about this power editing app. You have access to getting image, you have access to premium iStock, you have access to Pizza Babe, you have access to Pixel. So instead of you going online and start searching for a background to use, you can easily come to this place. Then let's search for a background on Pixel. So you click on Pixel. So you will type white table. You will type the living room. They depend on the kind of background you want to use. You can easily type any background you want to use. After typing, you search, then you wait for it to load. So let's look what you can see. There are a lot of background that you can use as a living room. So let me see if I will see anyone that I can use for this. You can see we have a lovely background that you can easily use for your videos. So without wasting much of your time, let me see if I'll see anyone that I love here. Let me see. These are all beautiful backgrounds. So let me pick this background and see how it work out. So if I click on it, so I will just wait for it to download as usual. Then I will come to this place and click on next. So you can see this lovely background. So the next thing I need to do is to import my video. So to import my video, this app have a way of just getting to your overlay straight. You can see my overlay here. So if I click on my overlay, I will select either photo or video, but I'm changing the video background. So I click on a video. So we go to my gallery direct. So what I just need to do is to come here and select the video. This is the video that I want to use. I click on the video, then I will import. So after importing my video, the next thing I need to do is to remove the background of the video. So to do that, I will come to this overlay and I will click on this one. Then I will come to this place. I will scroll to my left. I will click on background. So once I click on this background and I will see this cutout, I will click on this cutout. You can see I've removed my own background. So the next thing I need to do is to drag this background down and expand it. I will expand it to the size of the background that I'm using. So I'll make sure they are the same size. So you make sure you resize it to it. Then you will just make sure that you resize it to the background that you are using. Make sure that it's the same size. So after that, you drop it here.
So what I need to do is that I will come to this background, then I will drag it so that it will be the same length with my video. So it will cover my video to have the same length with that. So to do that, I have to what? Make sure that they are both the same length. Yes, done. So as you can see, they are the same length. So if I want to adjust this background, I can still as well adjust my background, make sure it fits to the screen or it fits where I want it to be. So I click on OK. So let me play it and see how it will look like.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'll be teaching you how to change a background.
You can
As you can
see
see,
I've
this is not my
replaced the
room, but
background.
I am in.
So before I continue, what I need to do again is to come to this my overlay video. So I need to adjust the brightness. So to do that, I will come to this place, click on adjust. So if I want to, I will have to reduce the I will have to what, increase the brightness or reduce it. So it depends on you. So it depends on you. You can control. You will just add additional touches to your video. So it depends on you. So the next thing I need to do, I want to blend this background. So I will come to this background, click on this background, then I will come to effect. I click on effect and I click on effect again. So I will
Welcome
select,
back to my YouTube channel.
I will select blunt. So I will click on blunt. You see that
Welcome
I've
back
blurred
to
the
my YouTube
background,
channel,
but I
and
need to
today
adjust it so that it will look real. So if I come there, I will reduce it to like, I think 8 is okay. So color grading. So I think I'm done here. So press OK. So play it.
welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today
You can see I've totally changed the background of this video. So all you need to do is to what, adjust, make sure you adjust it so that it will look real. It will look real. So after you have done all these things that I've said, the next thing you need to do is to come to this place and export your video to your photo gallery. So this is how you can change a video background. If you find out that you are the type that concerns about your background, you can easily change it to any background you want. You can go to Chrome and download as many background as you want. Make sure that you download the one that is what, free, and use it on your video. So it is so easy to change your video background. You can as well as make the necessary adjustment with your editing app. So this is basically how you can change your video background. So if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and drop us a comment if you are finding it difficult to do that, so that we can able to direct you. And lastly, do not forget to turn on your notification bell so whenever I post, you'll be notified. Thank you for watching and see you on my next video.